Mm-hmm.
To share 1,000 naira in the ratio of 2:3. How much will Ogaga take home? That will be 2 plus 3, 5.
Good.
5, 2
Uh-huh.
over 5. 2 over 5 times 1,000 naira.
Is 2 belonging to Ogaga?
Yes, sir. No,
Sorry.
times,
It's
times,
it's
times.
times I meant to write. Sorry. My bad.
Mm.
Okay. So 2 is belonging to Ogaga, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 over 5 times 1,000 will give us what?
5 in 1,000 is 200. 400. 400.
Correct. Yes. So that's 200 times 2, which is what?
400 naira.
400 naira. So Ogaga will take home 400 naira. Now, had it been they asked us what the other person will take home, what are we simply going to do?
400 minus 1,000, that is 600 naira.
I told you people something about when you are saying, when you are speaking maths and when you are reading maths, that you have to even be more particular about what you say when you are speaking maths. Is it 400 minus 1,000 or 1,000 minus 400?
1,000 minus 400.
Good. You know that me, I will not allow you to just say anything you like. And you tell me in your mind, that's what I wanted to say. No, in your mind and what you actually said, I want them to be the same. All right, go ahead and write down.
Please just give me a moment.
Yes, you have a minute actually, and that minute is about to finish.
Yes. Favor is done.
Okay. All right, Faith, are you done too?
No, sir. I'm done.
Okay, good. All right, Favor, over to you. Next question, quickly.
So number 14 says change 50, change 75% to decimal. That is
Yes. So how are we going to do that? 75%.
um,
How do you write 75%?
75 over 100.
Okay. 75 over 100. Good. So what do we do next? Favor. Faith, sorry.
Wait, I answered the question.
What do we do next
So,
now? The
so
question said we should convert it to decimal. Yes.
we can use 5. 5 in 75 is 15. 5 in 100.
Faith. The question didn't say to lowest term. It said to decimal. Don't waste
Okay,
your
so
time doing
that's
that 5
it.
in
So
this,
we're going
5
to
in
do
that.
75 times,
They know
100 times 75. That is
Eh?
0.
Come. What did you say? Come again.
I don't say anything, sir.
I didn't hear what you said. Now repeat yourself if you are sure.
Okay. I said that we're going to do, since we're looking
Sorry.
for decimal, we're going to do 75 times percentage times 100.
Why are you timesing it by 100 now? You've already correctly told me that 75% is 75 over 100. Why are we not timesing it by 100? If you multiply 75 over 100 by 100, it's 75 you will get. You want to, it's like you're just, it's as if you've not done anything. So now I need somebody to give me the correct answer, because this thing is going to pain me that you people have forgotten how to handle division by 100, a power of 10. You have forgotten that mental math skill.
Sir, please, can you permit me? Okay, let me just write something. Sir,
No,
I'm
don't
going
write
to
it.
do.
Just say it. Don't write it. When you start
Okay,
writing, it's taking our time.
so we're going to
Uh-huh.
divide. No, stop. No. That is not the thing. Sir, it's this thing that you said. We, instead of us to just calculate, we'll count how many zeros does 100 have 2.
Yes.
1, 2, and the decimal will stop here at the front of 7. So we have to
Okay.
put, so the answer is 0.75.
Thank you. That's what I want to hear. 0.75. Yes, because we know this is a fact that every whole number has its decimal point after the last digit, right?
Yes,
At the
sir.
right hand side. So because of there are 2 zeros, like you said, it's going to move 2 times and the decimal point will land here, and then you put a 0 in front and your final answer is 0.75. That's all I expected. All this multiply by 100 and the one that Faith was trying to give us, I didn't expect
No, it's
it.
Favor that was trying to. Favor was that was Favor that was talking.
Oh yeah.
Number 3. Number
Faith, are you
15.
telling me that you did not give me any wrong answer now? Are you trying to say that you didn't give me any wrong answer?
No, I used a one wrong answer. That was I was saying that.
You were telling me that we should start saying 5 in 75, 5 in 100. Was that not
Yeah.
what you said?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, write down. Let's move on to the next question.
So this one is number 1. Number
Was
15.
that number 1?
Yes.
Why are you calling that number 1? Is it not number 13?
But we're starting.
Or how are you writing? Anyway, I don't know how you're writing it in your book.
I'm writing it as number 1, number 2, number 3.
So every class has number 1. So when you want to review it, how will you review it? When you are looking for number 1, you will now be looking for number 1 when it's actually number 13.
I write continuous on the top.
Really. So do you indicate which class started the real number 1? That's the question. If you didn't do that, then your continuous is not effective now.
I write continuous of that date. 25th.
Okay. I hope so. Okay. Are we done?
Yes.
All right.
Number 15. It says a boy buys 4 tins of milk at that is simple. 360 naira. How much is 12?
A boy does what?
How much is 12? Sir, first we will first look for one. We'll do 360 divided by 4. That is going to make it 900. That's for 1. 900 times 12. That is our answer. Sir,
Now, okay.
I did not hear that question. I was
okay. So Faith, Favor. Favor, we wanted to hear the question. You quickly hurried us to the answer. Can you read the question again so that when you're telling us the answer, we'll be following your logic? Oh yeah, go ahead.
Okay, number 15 says a boy buys 4 tins of milk at 360 naira. How much? You say what? A boy. 300. A boy. Wait, let me read it again. A boy buys 4 tins of milk. 4 tins of milk at 360 naira. How much will he buy for 12? Firstly, we'll have to do 360 divided by 4. That is 900. 900 times 12 is 1,000.
Okay, okay, so there's just one problem with your solution, Favor. Now, I like the fact that you divided 360 by 4. But my question to you is this. Is 360 divided by 4 actually 900?
Or 90?
Or 90?
Sorry, 90.
So it's 90. So now, correct yourself. Let us hear the correct version.
So we're going to do 360 divided by 4, that's 90. So 90 times 12 is 1,060 naira. 1,080 naira, I mean.
Good. 1,080. Yes, because of the 9 times 12 is 108. So when you multiply it by, when you add the zero behind the rather, yes, it becomes 1,080. Okay, that's good. All right. So I see that Faith was writing the solution to the question in a format that looks like direct proportion, right? Faith, am I
Yes.
right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
yes. So this question, what you just have done is also telling us that this question could have been solved like a direct proportion question. But I don't want us to go into all that because of time. I think the way Favor said it is fine. So we can move forward. So go ahead and write it in your book. Remember, she said you divide 360 by 4 to get the price of 1. And you see that I'm really impressed. Let me put it in there that you actually didn't go and start thinking that you should multiply 360 by 4 because the question didn't say 360 naira each. You see, whenever they don't put that each, you should know that that 360 is the price for the 4 of them. And I'm very, very happy that nobody made that mistake to go and start saying multiply 360 by 4. Please. Thank you very much. So go ahead and write it in your book.
Okay, let me not do it. Let me just.
Faith, is okay now. I think you have finished annotating. You can be writing in the book, in your book too,
I'll
that you don't
finish
take our
writing in
time.
my book.
You finish writing in your book.
Yes, sir.
Faith, I don't believe you. You can't tell me that time you were annotating, you were also writing in your book.
No, when you said we should write, I stopped. No, when you were saying you like this idea, that's when she started writing.
Okay. I see. All right. So we're waiting for Favor.
Number 4. We're moving to number 4.
Favor, are you done?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
Number 16. It says simplify 1.5. Simplify half times 1/8. Wait, half times 1/8. That is 1/16 divided by 1/24. So divided by what? 1/24.
Okay, 1/1. That's half times what? 1/8, right?
Yes, sir. Divided
by what? Divided by 1/2. Is that?
Sir.
Okay. So who can tell me what we will quickly do here? This one is a very simple question. What are we going to do here? Can we see what's happening there?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, tell me what we will do in this question.
What we are doing in these numbers?
I'm asking you a question. You people are going to go and change different types of brushes. So it's a crime. Oh yeah, okay, no problem. Nobody should annotate again. I'll be the one doing the annotating. I give people a small privilege. You now decide to now abuse it. Okay. Oh yeah, quickly tell me what we will do here. I thought that people were even thinking about the answer, only to notice that you are busy choosing different brushes to use. Oh yeah, what's the way forward for this question?
We're going to do half times 1/8.
So do you know what I will advise? Now I know that I want to believe that you guys can't mess up this question, but This is what I will advise. Since you already have half times 1/8, right? Why not change that division to multiplication? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Faith, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your answer is yes, sir, because I said that you should not annotate, Abi. When I tell you to annotate, and I said you should only annotate when I tell you to, and then you now decide to go and start choosing brushes when I'm explaining something. I'm asking you questions. What do you want me to do? You want me to be happy with you, right?
His favorite is the one that is changing.
You want me to be no wait. Do you expect me to be happy with you that I was expecting an answer from you and you people were busy doing something else? Were you expecting me to be actually happy with you? You will annotate, but that attitude is not going to get you back into that position. Oh yeah, I need an answer quickly, Faith. What will happen when I change that division into multiplication?
1/384.
No, I don't agree with that. 1/384.
That's yes, sir. Since you said that we're going to change the division to time. So
wait. Hold on. This last number, is it 1/2 or 1/24?
1/24. I said
okay.
1/2. I was writing
why didn't you tell me now?
I wrote
You know,
1/24.
and I wrote what is it that thing that you wrote there that you are expecting me to understand? So this is 1/24. Now, if I change division to multiplication, will that 1/24 stay as 1/24?
No, sir.
It will become what?
24 over 1.
So, oh yeah, do the correct thing.
So
Faith, please, I don't like this your annotation. Let your annotation be clear. Don't be joining it. Can you not see how my own is? Don't join it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, what should we do next? You can either choose to say 2 into 24 or 8 into 24. Which one are we doing?
8 into 24. Our answer is 3. 3 equals to 1/2.
So yes, so you now have your final answer will be 3/2, which will be left which will leave you with what?
1/2. It's correct. There's no answer inside. But
there's no answer like that there.
Yes, sir.
This question, are you sure about it? 1/2 times 1/8.
Let me see. No answer is not.
Oh yeah, if there's no answer, let's just quickly write down the question and write down our own answer and move on. Let's not waste time over it.
Sir, if everyone is still saying that the answer is 1/3, 1/3. People is saying 1/306. 4.
Favor.
I'm not saying it again. Faith, you can lie. Yeah, can lie.
Faith, I'm sure she has corrected herself. Let's have it. She has corrected herself. Okay, so if the answer is not among the options, it does not mean that we're wrong. I'm sure we have discussed that before a lot of times.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question.
Please, sir, can you wait a minute?
Okay, I'm waiting.
8 times 24 over 1 equals 3 over 2, which is 9 or 1 whole number 1/2. Let me just erase. Let me just. Sir, I want to squeeze. Which battery? What? Then do. I want to go and drink water. My throat is dry. Your throat is dry. Okay, sorry.
Who wants to drink water?
Favor.
Favor, you want to drink water?
Favor.
Eh? I can't hear you. Favor, are you the one that wants to drink water?
I'm going to drink water.
Okay. Have you drank the water?
Number. Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead, Favor.
Sir, come here. Number 76. Add 59. 150. 8 and 33. Okay, so equals to 100. 115.
Favor, can you repeat that question, please? I didn't get it. The internet went off for a bit.
So the total is 2. So the
Okay, so this question is about addition, right?
Yes, and the answer is 215.
Okay. All right, write it down.
So I don't know why. So I don't know why some of the entrance exam is.
What happened to them?
When I was writing down my. Some of them were very simple. They were giving us proportion, even other simple things like. I was like, is this one question or baby question? Well, at
That's
the
what I'm
end of
telling
the
you. Sometimes the question that you're calling baby question, the question that you're calling baby question can be a question that is meant to deceive you, that it is a baby question, whereas it's not a baby question, as you call it. Okay. And then some other times, it's actually a baby question that is meant to make you to, like a reward for you being good at all the other questions. Okay, next. Let's go to the next question.
Please, can you drink water? That is number 6. So please, can I get water?
You are not talking now. You're not the one that is reading the questions. Why are you going to go and get water? No, please. Let's wait till our break time.
That's so true. That's so true.
Faith, please wait. When we get to break time, you can go and drink water. I have Favor, over to you.
Okay, sir. So the next question says number 18 says express 23,003 in figures. That is 23,000 is going to be 23,230 and 003. Simple.
230 and what?
Are you sure it's that simple? Sorry, 23, 003.
Okay, did they say 23,003?
Yes, 23,003.
Okay, you are correct. Okay. You can write it down in your book. You are correct. If that's what they said, though, 23,003 is 23003. Yes.
Half face is what they said. It's what they said, but I'm not going to write for number 6. So Faith said that she's not going to write for number 18. I not say I'm not going to write for number 18. I said, that she should. Okay, let me write. All right. In your booklet. I did not say I'm not writing in my booklet. I said I'm not going to write on the screen. Who will know?
Oh, yeah.
Two, three.
Faith, go ahead. Sorry, Favor, go ahead.
Sir? Okay, sir. Favor is not yet done.
Are you done? Have you written this answer down in your book?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Jesus!
What?
So Faith did not really write the answer. Faith did not really write the question. From number 5
Favor,
to
Favor, don't bother. When I'm going to be asking her to explain her working and she's giving me stories, that's when we're going to have a problem. Oh, yeah.
Did you not write?
Next question. Don't write, though. Don't worry, don't write. When I will now ask you a question and you cannot answer, that's when there will be trouble.
Number 19 says find the missing number. Faith, you read this question. Which one? 56, 563.
Do you want to write it down? You guys should not.
Yes, sir.
What is the sign? Write it down. Write it down.
I said this. I'm do one. We're looking for. So. Is it you were annotating that time? Shame me, I disturbed when you were annotating.
Oh, yeah, Faith, quickly annotate it. We don't have time.
But 19 says find the missing number. That's enough. Okay. 4. This is Ash.
Is that hash or asterisk?
Or just asterisk or hash. And there's a line under it. And there's another number next to it. Like, this is how it is. And they said you should find the missing number in between those 4 and 8.
Okay. Like, in between 4 and 8. Yes, so is it addition?
I don't know.
No, check the sign now. Look at the question. The question will tell you the sign between them.
Taffy doesn't understand anything. And why you laugh? Sir, what's J? I understand something. I don't know. Just release
Faith, can you do me a favor? Represent the question as it is exactly.
Okay. I forgot one number, so it will not. It will look as if that there's no answer. So we have to go to my pen.
And please be fast, Faith. We don't have time.
Bye.
So my question, Faith, from the book, is it addition that is between these two numbers?
So this 500 and 63. That's what I was saying, that I should annotate just at least write something. She said me. She said she's not asking.
Faith. Honestly, I don't understand what you're doing anymore.
Sir, people should write. When you were doing annotation, did I disturb? No. Sir, this year, There's no sign. There's no plus at the middle. No even sign. I don't know
There's
why
no
the
plus
question
sign.
is like. Yes, sir. I should just say, sir, that I should just tell you what faith is writing is nonsense. Nothing like this is in the question. It's 563, not the first place. I know this nonsense you wrote.
Okay, so Favor, please tell me how it is in the question. 563 comes first, right?
Yes, sir.
Followed by what?
That symbol 8 on the line, and 971 on 17. Not 17. Well, 71.
Okay.
I was writing 71. Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, since they did not put sign there, let me ask you, what do you think is the sign there? Let me just hear your opinion.
Plus.
Thank you.
Minus.
It looks like it's a plus. It cannot be minus now. Faith, look at that thing very well. How will it be minus? Oh yeah, you can see obviously 3 plus 8 is 11. What next?
6 plus 0.
Do we agree that it is 0 that is there? Do we agree that it is 0 that is there? Because if we say 6 plus 0, you get 6 plus that 1 that we carried, right?
Plus that 1. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer equals to 4.
Yes. Okay. All right. That's a good one. Okay. Well done. Oh yeah. Write it down in your book. Now, but don't forget to put the plus in between so that in your book, at least you are sure of what is there.
You don't disturb me when I'm reading the Is it not my own book that you are writing? It's genuine. So can we erase all these things? No, sir. Erase it. We need to erase it. There's no more space. I've already gone down to my lowest. And we need to do control. Sir, fit now. What did I do? Okay, I'm not ready.
Okay, so you want to erase. Has a Favor finished writing?
So Faith is always erasing where am I? I did not know you were doing.
Faith, give her some time now.
You erasing. Done.
All right. Favor, you done writing?
Yes, sir. Okay, so we need to clean everything. I need to go to view. Plus.
Oh yeah, go ahead and clean everything.
We still have a fiction. Sir, you want to go to that annotation thing, then you gonna start like. I'm cleaning my own first. So to go to view. I will have to go back.
All right, can we have a fresh slate?
Sir, I'm clean. Okay, let me go to this one and go to trash, clear all drawings. I will now go. I will press X. I will go to select. Eraser. Okay, wait. So we're starting a new one. That is number 8. Let me write number 8. Very small. I need to write my final. So number 8. Number 8. Number 8, favorite the question. Number 8 is number 26. Express the figures. The figures in numerals. So answer is the Roman numeral. Yes. Sir, before we can proceed, I want to look at the question. Favor will not allow me, even though I'm the owner of the book. Favor will not show me. Let me see. Listen to the question. I want to see the question on my iPad. Okay, somebody used to do it. Give my book and carry on. They show you. If they say
All right, let's move forward. Let's move forward. So
people will not allow anybody to see the question. It says express the Roman figure. Express 2300 in numeral. In figures. The answer is 144. Simples. I want to show. Sir, this is what they say we should translate. See. Sir, it equals to 144. Let me see. See what? That's the last question. You know that. You know that. You remember that time that you came. Make shift it. You know what? Your own is almost like 100. Can somebody not look? Am I not this studio? LIV. Sir, in figures. In figures. This one is 244. So the answer in figure CXLV. No, IV. In figures equals to 244. We need to go to number 9. No. Number 9. Okay, 100, not 200. 100. 100. 1.
Faith.
Sir?
You are still joining your letters. I don't know how you want us to be working like this.
Okay, sir, I'm coming. Sorry, sir.
You're still joining it.
Okay, I have to start this thing again because let me write it in space. C N V.
All right, so what's next?
Figures. I'll have to write two. Not two. 144. God. Not two. 1. Number 9. Number 9. I have to write number 9. 9 dot. We have to go. We're going to number 9. Favor, let's
Favor,
check.
I'm not hearing you read anything again.
Favor will read fast. She will write the answer in her book. She will not allow me to see what is in that book. I know she read fast. I have to read. Come the faith will not say I'm reading fast. What's there? So much. What is there? So number 21, it says correct. Okay, let me carry my book for you. That means you're allowing me to touch the screen. Number 21, I don't stop you. Correct. Convert. Correct.
Please go ahead, Favor.
89.6162 to 2 decimal places. Correct. Correct. So
go ahead now, Favor.
Correct 39.6162 to 2 decimal places. So that is going to be 39.62. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I don't even totally hear what she was saying. That means your ear was not here. You asked me to read the word.
You are beside her and you did not hear what she said. Me that I'm not beside her, I heard what she said. Does that not tell you something that you are distracted?
She's still writing.
You are distracted.
Correct. So I'm not distracted. I want to see the question.
I'm putting it to you. You are Faith. You are distracted. You are beside somebody that is reading something and you can't hear her. How do you want to explain that? She just said that she read out a number, convert a particular number to what? 2 decimal places.
I was asking her for that number.
Oh,
okay.
I
said 21. I said 21. No, the number you just called down. No. I said it now. Maybe
Favor, please just read out the number alone for her. Just call the number for her that should be converted to 2 decimal places. Go ahead.
Don't worry, sir. 89.6162 to 2 decimal places. 89.62.
Okay, so Faith, do you agree that the answer should be 89.62?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's correct. That's actually that number to 2 decimal places. Okay. Okay, go ahead. What's the next question before we take a 5 minutes break?
This is the quiz 120. That is 40%, 40 over 100 times 1, 2. Sorry, sir. It says decrease 120 times 40 over 100.
So I don't understand. Decrease 120
times 40 by 40%.
Okay, by 40%. Okay, so you said what would that become? What's the solution to it? What's the solution now?
So I'm going to do 120 times 40 over 100.
Okay, that's the first step. 120 times 40 over 100. What's the next step after getting that answer?
We'll cancel zeros.
No, I've heard you. Just tell me the next step. We'll do the calculation now. But tell me the next step. What's the next step after getting the answer to this? Before, don't worry, we'll do it together. What's the next step? You have gotten, let's pretend you have gotten the answer to this. What's the next step? Is that all?
No, sir. So when you get your answer, we're going to plus no, sir, you cancel the answer plus that 40%. You cancel this from this. So 4 times 12 is 48.
See, Faith, it's obvious that you're not listening to us. It's obvious that you're not listening. I asked a question. I said, let's pretend that we have gotten the answer to this. What is the next step? What is the next step? What is the next step?
Answer plus that 40%.
No, I don't agree. It can't be plus. It can't be plus. It can't be plus.
Minus.
It has to be minus. When did you not see the question said decrease? What does decrease sound like? Does it not mean you should reduce something by? Please don't make that mistake again. No, decrease is minus. So 120 minus 48 is what?
Sir?
120 minus 48 is what?
72. 72.
I write it in your book. So that's the answer. When they say decrease something by a particular percentage, first find that percentage of that thing. Then they now say decrease. So that means you have to subtract it from that thing. Okay. So remember, the only time you're adding is when they say what?
Increase.
Thank you very much. Increase. So are we done writing so that we can take our 5 minutes break right now?
Oh, I'm done, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Seven is done.
Okay, so we're coming back here for 10. Okay, let's just say 10:30. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Please make use of your break time. I don't want to Faith, that water that you wanted to drink, go and drink it now. And make sure that you use the restroom, okay? So that you don't come and start saying you want to go and wait later. All right, so see you soon.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. All right, Faith, sit down quickly. We don't have time. We don't have time. Faith, why is it taking you so long to sit down? Are you an old woman?
Yeah.
You're laughing, Abby. Now.
I'm not an old woman. Our class has already named their Faith old woman.
As if your waist is paining you.
No, I'm not an old woman.
So show me that you're not an old woman. You should. When I said
I was reading my Bible. No.
Your Bible. Okay. So,
my Bible.
Bible.
Yes, sir.
We're doing.
My Bible this one. Sorry, I'm reading a white brick. It's not your system.
All right, Favor, are you ready? Let's hit the road. You muted yourself for what happened?
Sir, even though this is not my system, I want to write something or clear the screen for Faith is saying that is it your own screen? Only because my screen has a little problem, so I have to go and update it. Don't worry, when I come back to the system, I'm not showing you.
Why are you closing the sound now? If you don't want, just erase everything that is
not. Come on, sense. I'm gonna go to this. Then I
Favor, I'm waiting for you now. Read the next question.
Bring up.
So you want to clear the screen. Is that an issue? That's not an issue.
Okay, sir. So number 23.
Okay.
It said, but 26 says, what number is subtracted what number is subtracted from 8.008 to give 5079?
Hey, I like this kind of questions. This kind of questions are testing that thing I told people about. How you speak maths versus how you write it. So now, who can tell me how we will do this question? So I need you to be very.
We're going to do 0.008 minus 5.079. Our answer is 3.
Wait, I'm going to tell you. Favor, hold on. Wait, we're trying to answer a question and you are busy playing with the tools.
I'm cleaning the screen.
You're not cleaning anything. We had done that long time ago.
Because this is so now using something else. Just cut it. Is this paint or paint? Maybe you did not increase your erase or something. I have to go to set.
You're clearing the screen, and I'm asking you a question. There's a question before us to solve, and you're clearing the screen. Is that what we're here for? That's not our priority. Please focus on what we're supposed to focus on. Favor, please read the question again, and that answer that you are giving me, Favor, is not correct. Read the question again. Let's discuss it together.
What number is subtracted from 8.0? What number is subtracted from 8.008 to give 5.079? That is 3.71. 3.071, I mean.
Number is subtracted from 8.008 to give
minus 5.079.
To give 5.079. So because of that, you know that the number that is on top is what? 8.008. So yes, the best thing to do is to take this one to where? Here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you get as your answer?
3.071.
Eh?
3.071.
Okay. All right. That's fine. Now, write it in your book. Write it in your book. Kate, I said write in your book. I did say writing on the screen. Write in your book.
So favor is singing. So I want to so fit this to lie. I'm not lying. You know you're saying singing something just so. I beg. So fit doesn't mind their own business. Do you? Mind it. Mind yours. I'm minding mine since you do to mind yours in the teeth. So I did not get the same answer as favor. I got 2.299.
You did not get the same answer with who?
Which favor? Sir, it is not 5.09. It is not 5.09. What is there? It is 5.79. Okay. I am not 5.079. I am not mixing it up and saying it's what is known. Maybe you feel. Maybe you feel.
Calm down now. Just correct us. Which one is it? 5.079, right?
Yes, sir. And Faith is saying no. It is 5.709.
Everybody can make mistakes now. It's me that wrote it. That's why she wrote it too. That's why I usually say let's get the question well first. So it's 5.079, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't understand something. Favor said the answer is 3 point what?
Hold on now. We'll find out.
Sir, the answer is not correct. It's 2.929.
Hold on. Before you identify her, let's attempt to do it. So 8.008 minus 5.1. Please, favor confirm that this thing is correct.
What is that?
79.
It's calling you.
Favor, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So let's start from the end. 18 minus 9 is what?
Sir, we have to cancel that 8. So it will be 7. Then the 2 zeros will become 9. The 8 will change to 7. How would it change to 7? We will borrow from this one. I thought you were saying this. Use sense. You're going to use
What am I hearing? Is somebody saying something?
Yes,
did I just say that 8 will become 7? Did I just hear that?
Yes, sir. Faith is saying it.
Wonderful. Faith. You are going to write common entrance. So I want to believe that you are sleeping. Like, seriously, you are sleeping when you said that thing. Please, correct yourself now. Should 8 become 7? Is it not when you borrow something from 8 that 8 becomes 7?
Please, that's what I'm saying. That we'll borrow from this 8, so it will become 7. We'll give it to this one, so it will become 9.
Please, be next time more specific.
To this one.
Specific.
It will become 9. So that's how we get to that one you are saying.
Next time, be specific.
Yeah.
I thought that you were saying that we should make 8 7. I started wondering how that will happen. Okay, I write in your book. So,
yes, so and we're saying 3.07.
This is the correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So I'm number 12.
Number what?
12.
Okay. All right. So I'm waiting for favor. Favor, you done writing?
Before I'm solving for number 26, I was not even reached 26. Let me know this number.
Favor. Since when did you start that? I read the next question for us.
Number 12 says, number 27, 24 says, 45 minus n equals 18. What is n? 27. So that is going to be, we are going to do CLT.
I can barely hear your voice. You need to speak louder. You need to speak louder. I have to say it again.
45 minus 45 minus n equals 18. What is n? First, we are going to do CLT. That is n equals 45 minus 18. What?
Okay. So that means this question is just like the one with
18. 45.
Right?
45 plus 18. Not minus. You cannot see minus here.
Is this the question? Confirm.
Yeah, complex like 10. That is going to be 45.
We just solve here now.
It's not 63. We're going to do 45 plus 18.
It's very, very similar.
45 minus 18. 45 plus 18.
Who is saying 45 plus 18 again now? It's the same question. It's 45 minus
18 equals egg.
Oh, okay. Let me help you. Now, please, let's remove any confusion. By the time 18 comes to this side, what will it become? Minus or plus?
Would it become plus?
Minus or plus?
I said I will
Favor, will it become minus or plus? He's not talking again. Favor, talk to me now. Will it become minus or plus?
Minus.
Favor, I can't hear you. You need to speak up. 18 crossing over to the other side. Will it become minus or plus? Why are you crying? I don't know. This is not something you should be crying about. Will it be minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus. Now see, Favor, that you missed it one time doesn't mean that you have a problem. You not the one that told us the correct way to get the one before it. All you just need to do is to be careful when you are doing your algebra. It's simple. So that's why you now see that. Remember the x. I told you anytime you have algebra, the sign to the left hand side of that number belongs to it. So this x. Look at this x here. Look at it very well. This x and the minus are together. So by the time x goes to the other side, guess what will happen? Guess what will happen? It will now become what? Plus. Can you see that the x here is plus? Hello, Favor. Can you see what I'm saying, Favor?
Yes, sir.
Please, Favor, I need grace up. This is not time to cry, we don't have time. Definitely not time to be crying. Let's grace up and be at our best. So 45 minus 18 is what?
It's 27.
All right. So please let's write down in our book. Let's write down in our book.
I've written it in my book.
Okay. Are we good to go to the next one? Are we ready for the next one?
I can say 4, 7,
Hmm.
8,
Are we ready for the next one?
6. Yes, sir.
All right. I have favor over to you. Next question.
What is the unit value of digit 7 in the number?
I can't hear you. Speak louder. Speak louder.
They have written it on the screen. What is the
Yeah, I know
value
that this thing
of
that I'm writing on the
digit?
screen, I can't see it. I can't make sense out of it. So I'm depending on what voice saying.
What is the value of 7 in 1,000? Okay, 17,486. And
7,000.
1,000 TH.
All right, write it in your book. That one is easy. Easy peasy. As a favor would say. Or is it Faith that said it? Baby question.
So we're moving to 14 now, not my own space.
Yes. Next question.
14.
Right. Favor, are you done writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
They said find the value of 7/8. Find the value of 7/8 of 3.2 kg of
Okay. 10.2 kg.
theory.
Oh, 2.2 kg. Okay. All right. So who can tell me how we'll do this one? Very simple way. A very simple way. How do we do it? And I'm sure the answers are in grams, right? Let me guess. Are the answers in grams?
No, kg.
Oh, kg too. All right now. Let's do it. So how will we do this? Who can tell me?
We change the off to times.
Good. The off is times. That's the interpretation.
If
Yes.
we do
What next?
it, if we just do as if the point is invisible, it will become 8 divided by 32. It is 4. So this is 3.4. 8 divided by 3.2 is 0.4.
Okay. Okay. So
So
what's next?
7 times 0.4.
Okay. Favor, do you agree with that?
So we do 7 times 4 is 28. So the answer is 0.28. 0.28, I mean.
I don't. That's where you failed it. All right. Correct yourself quickly.
4
7 times
times
0.4 is 1.
equals 0.28.
You're still saying the same thing, and I said you're not correct. You're repeating yourself. Don't you understand? When somebody says you're not correct, you're supposed to not think of your answer.
2.8 kg.
Yes.
2.8.
2.8. Look at it. If you're wondering how you got 2.8, this thing should not confuse you. 7 times 4 is what? Is 28. Then ask yourself, how many numbers are after the decimal point? Is it not only one?
Yeah.
So how did it now become 0.28? So please, it's 2.8. And don't make that mistake again.
2.8. Yes,
2.8 kg. I am right there. Now, if the answer, now this is my own question. No, it's not in the book. Please, and I want you to answer me correctly. Let me see who will answer me correctly. If the answer was in gram,
sir?
if the answer was in gram, what would the answer have been? What will it be? Convert this 2.8 kg to grams.
Wait,
What will it be?
sir.
Yes.
Answer supposed to be 2,000. 2,008. 2,000.
2.8.
2.8.
People are telling
2.8
me that
into
6
gram. It will be 2.8. 2.8 in gram.
How many grams make 1 kilogram? Let me even ask you. Let me see if you still even remember that baby math, as you call it. How many grams make 1 kilogram?
1,000.
1,000. So if
1,000.
1,000, you see what I always tell people. It is those little things that will trip you up. Little, as small as converting grams to kilograms. People are about to mess up the question. I just asked.
Then you said.
So 2.8 times 1,000 is what? Let me hear what your answer is again. What's the answer? What is the answer now? Tell me.
28.
They are paid to answer. This is very, very simple. 2,000.
So the answer is 2,800 as in gram.
Yes, that's correct. It's 2,800 because the decimal point will move to the right, isn't it?
3 times, and in 1,000 there are 3 zeros, so we have to move the decimal place to 3 times.
Yeah, okay, so you can write that in your book, but that is not part of the question. It's just me asking as a reminder of to check on you whether you still remember how to convert from kilograms to grams. Oh yeah, go ahead. You can write that in your book by the side. You can just put a box around it. It's not part of the answer. Just put a box around it.
Box 2.8 equals 20. I remember it's in gram. 15. Wait, so they say, so let me read it. Number 27 says, if P equals 2, R equals 3, and S equals 6, find the value of 2P. 2 times 2 is 4 plus R plus S. R is 3 plus 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So the answer is 13. So, our answer is 2.
Come again, please. I didn't hear you. I was a bit distracted.
They said if P equals to 2, R equals to 3, and S equals to 6. Find the value of 2P. 2P equals to 4 plus R plus X equals to 4 plus 3 plus 6, and the total is 13. The total is 13.
Favor, did you get the same answer? Favor, did you get the same answer?
So,
I can't hear Favor. Favor, did you get the same answer?
yes, sir.
Okay. Because that's a substitution question. You got the same answer, no problem. Just make sure that you did the right thing.
Hello, sir.
Yes, next question.
Sir, I have a question. The question is that when we are normally done and we are talking to you, you will not answer. Are you in another meeting or what?
No, I'm not. Did you say something now?
Yes, I said I'm done. You did not respond.
Okay, sorry about that. Is Favor done too?
Favor, are you done? Yes, Favor is done.
Okay, next question, Favor.
Express 26 over 91 in the lowest time.
Okay, so there's a bit of noise here. Maybe that's even part of why I'm not hearing you. Okay, so repeat the question.
Express 26 over 91 in its lowest time.
Oh, 26 over 91. Wow. Who is solving that for us? 26 over
That
91.
is equal to 2 over 9. So we're going to use 13 to divide 2 over 7, not 2 over 9. 2 over 9. 2 over 7. 7 times 10
is 4. Very well.
Sorry, 2 over 7. 2 over 7. Hey.
How did you get 2 over 7? I thought you said
we use
13
in 28, that is 2. 13 in 26 is 2, 13 in 91 is 13 7. In 26 is 2, 13 in 91 is 7, so it's equals to 2 over 7.
Okay. Now, I'm interested though. How did you know that 13 in 91 is 7?
Because I know. Wait, because if you know your multiplication timetable, 13 can go in 26, 13 can go in 91.
Excellent. I like that. I'm impressed. I need to clap for you. Well done. Write it down.
I've written it down.
Okay, next question.
That is all.
Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next section is what? Is it quantitative?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell mommy to help us snap it. Maybe we would. I think that's what we should start with for the next one. Okay, so tell mommy to snap it. Now we can't do. So I'm using generator. I'm sorry. We may not be able to do that 1 hour 30 minutes break. So can we do 15 minutes? Is that good?
Yes, sir. 15 is okay.
So I will give you 15 minutes. It's a longer break. Then we'll focus on quantitative. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'll give you 15 minutes break. Another break. Just tell mommy to help us snap the quantitative so that I'll share my screen when we're doing that one.
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye. All right. So let's go to number 29. How will we do number 29? I think we're going to work backwards, right?
Yes,
so the final answer is 8.
First, we're going to do 7 plus. So I say 9.
8 plus 1, isn't it?
3.
We'll
Yes,
first do 8 plus 1, 9. 9 divided by
3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 9 is 3.
No, the other way. 9 divided by 3. So the answer is 3, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Well done. So we're good with that one. Next one, number 30.
Okay. That is our answer is going to be
for number 30. So number 30 zone is quite interesting. We're going to have times 8, 80, right?
80 minus 18, that is 62.
Yes. minus 18, correct. That's what?
62.
62. Okay. So we're having 62 there, yes? All right. Kate, can you try number 1?
It's only the same.
Let's see if Kate will do it for us. So, Kate, number 31.
My number 30.
If you want, you can see number 31 is just like number 29. We're working backwards.
Yes,
So
I'm finding the answer.
Okay, all right.
So the answer is the answer 15. That's how you know it's
Explain how you get it.
So are you going to do this 25 plus 20? That's 45. 45 divided by 3 is 15.
Okay, that's 32.
Serpent is hitting my hand because I only was showing her something. Sir, you were asking me a question. People is doing what they did not ask her. See that you explain now, and Faith is not saying that you're using her pen. She's not allowing me to on the computer, and she's using her pen on my hand only because I'm holding her screen like this.
Sorry. It's okay. All right. Favor, number 30.
Big juice. No, Faith, I cannot see. I'll be seeing it.
Number 30.
I will beat this. Remove your hand. Stop.
I'll do number 32 now.
I think you will not allow me to at least just see some tone it. I cannot see my face at all. I think I cannot even see anything. He's saying that I should not see. She that has book here, she will not see. She says she will not see. When she has computer, she says she cannot see. Come and clean this thing you did by talking too much. If you not clean, not touching computer for. Stop! Stop! So nobody has made pinch you before. Stop! I said stop. I cannot say now.
Can you behave?
Cannot see, that doesn't mean that you now be doing nonsense. I beg, wait, let me fix it here. Yeah, just disturbing me. Move your hand. Number 32. Number 32 is. If you like touch it, I'll still move the thing back. Like touch it. 15. Yes, because we are doing. I cannot see. 15 times 3 is 45. 45 minus 30 is 15.
Okay.
Stop.
Number 33.
She's not let me at least see the computer. She's saying that I should not see that I should be moving it back from me.
Number 2, please.
Stop. You are not like you that will be putting panic on my screen. Move. I'm not putting panic. You do not speak. No.
33, please.
Number 33 answer. Oh, Jesus. So I can see what they did to my hand. Can see. She painted my hand and painted your hand for me.
You're not going to take this question. I'll take it off. Number 33, that's the last time I'm telling you to do.
Yes, sir. Number 33 answer is 20. No, 30. Yeah. 30. Number 33 answer is 30.
So what did you do to get that answer?
12 times 4 is 48. 48 minus 18. Remove it. You stop putting it to yourself.
48 minus 18 is what?
30.
Okay, 30. That's right. Okay, so it looks like the quantitative is not complete quantitative. They now went back to normal questions. So, what's the square root of 625?
65 is 25. 6 to 5 is 25.
Yes. How many hours are there in 4 days and 17 hours?
4 days.
How many hours are there in 4 days?
117. 117.
117. How did you get 117?
Sir, it is sir. So 24 times 4, that is going to give us
4 times 4 is what?
96. 96 plus 17. 17, oh, that is going to be 100. 130. So that is 113 hours.
100 and what?
13 hours in 4 days and 14 hours.
Okay, so why did you not say 117 before?
It's not me that said it, is fate.
I read the correct answer in your book and how you got it. So, okay, so when you're done writing, we'll go to the next question. LCM of 18.
Sir,
Yes.
when you are writing the how to get it, Faith here is writing only answer. How to get right? I like. She like. Not be like. Maybe. Oh, spinning you inside.
First common multiple of 18.
Sir, why you're talking? People is saying my mind is paining me, that she's not saying that she has outsmarted me.
I wish she has smarted.
Leave me alone, you not lie now. Stop lying.
Faith, you can lie. Oh.
Yeah, I can lie.
Yes, you can lie. Your own lie can bring down one.
Leave me alone.
It's okay. We're doing maths now, please. Let's focus on what we're doing. I told you that.
Sir, since I got really higher than her, Faith, in the common entrance exam, Faith is angry with me.
I'm not angry.
I'll be angry with me since that.
That you guys got in your mock exam. It's not, you're not bothered about it, right? Is this how you want to improve?
But Sir, Faith is saying that only because I got higher than her, she's not.
You want to scores by talking when we're in class. Is this how you want to improve your scores?
It's not me, it's Faith.
It's not you.
Let's figure this out quickly. LCM of 18, 24, and 84.
18, 28, and 80.
24, right?
Now.
What number do you start with?
I'm still calculating, sir.
What number do you start with? 2. Okay. So 2 in 18 is what?
9.
14. 2 in 14. 2 in 84 is what?
42.
We need
2, 9,
2, 9, 7.
21.
Everything that can go into 9.
Yes, I think 3. Yes, 3. 7.
Okay.
3, 7,
14, we just have to wait. And then 3 in 42 is what? Who can tell me?
Sir?
3 in 42 is what?
3 in 4. 3 in 4. Sir, you made one mistake.
Where is the mistake?
That 3 is supposed to be 2.
How?
Yes, when you are done with 3, that you have reached 3 in the 9, and it's 3, 1, 3 in this thing here. What about the 14? If it is divided by 7 now, it will become remainder 2. And we cannot use 2 again because we are finished.
I don't understand what you're saying.
So
yeah.
you have to use 2 for the second one only because of 14 and 22. 42.
I understand. You want to arrange it, it must be small numbers. All the small numbers must go in first, right? And I'm trying to tell you that it must not be that way that you are seeing it. It must not be arranged like that. Now, let me just show you something. That whatever answer you get and the answer I get will be the same thing, as long as you do it correctly. Now, 3 in 42 is 14. Now, this is what I was asking you. Nobody answered me, but it's 14. Now, if you want to make this thing very, very simple, all you just need to do is to do what? 3 in itself, 1, 14, and what? 14. And then now you're doing what? You want to tell me that I should come and start doing 2 into 14, 7, 7, when you can just say 14 in itself. Now, why I'm just showing you this method, I'm not saying that any method that you've learned is wrong, whether you should be using small numbers and all that, that's fine. But what I'm just trying to say is that when time is not your friend, you have to resort to sometimes using methods that are still right, but we get you to the answer faster. Now, who can tell me what, will be the answer to this? I have 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 2, 18. So you have 14 times 18. Can somebody quickly do that?
The answer is 252. The answer is 252. It's not as 252.
52, right?
252.
Okay. But so can you see that we still got the same answer? Whether you use my method or you didn't use my method, as long as you are still saying number into another number, this, and you are following the rules, you will still get to the answer. Okay. Do we have any questions on this before we move on? Any questions? All right. When you are done writing, let me know. I guess we should be done writing by now. Everybody, both of you are solving at the same time or solving. All right. Number 37. A room is 12 centimeters long, 4 meters wide, and 4 meters high. Who can tell me? Now, you know what somebody will be thinking? The person will be thinking, oh, I'm sure they want to ask us for the volume of the room. Wrong. The question said, find the area of the ceiling. Now, if you don't understand what long, wide, and high mean, you will be in trouble in this question. You will be in serious trouble. 12 centimeters long, 7 meters high, 4 meters high. And I think that 12 centimeters is a mistake. I'm just thinking it's a mistake.
It's supposed to be meter. Maybe they wanted to write centimeters, so they forgot to write the C.
But then, yes.
Let's use meter.
Are we together? Please, this thing is not centimeters, it's meters. Is that okay? Yeah. Everything. All right. Now, who can tell me which of these dimensions is for the ceiling? Who can tell me?
Sir, say what?
Which of these dimensions that were given is for the ceiling? Which of them?
Um, 12 and 7 meters.
Sir.
Okay. That's our final answer. 12 and 7.
Yes, sir.
12 and 4.
Okay. So Faith said that it is 12 and 4. Faith, why did you say 12 and 4?
They say 12, and 12 is how much long it can be from here to here. Oh, that is from it starting from the ceiling.
10 meters is what?
Floor. From the ceiling to the floor. I say,
From the ceiling to the floor. Does that not tell you that that's not the one we should be looking at? That one is from the ceiling to the floor. Does it concern the ceiling?
No.
Is the one that says 12 meters long and 7 meters wide, that is the ceiling. Okay? So, that's why I said understanding this question is very, very critical. So, please, the answer for this should be 12 by 7. Okay? 12 meters long, 7 meters wide. So, 12 times 7 is what?
76, 84 meters square.
So,
move your pot. Sit down very well before you start saying that your back is paining.
Okay, so 12 times 7 is 84. Okay, so 84 meters squared. So go ahead and write it in your book.
80, 20. So I see 84, 24. So I see 84, 24.
84, 8, 4, 8, 4.
4. Share the noise. 20, 84 meters square.
Yes, that's what I said.
Sir, people is stopping me.
And now we stopping you at this time. Don't you understand that your exams are closer to you more than ever? Let's be serious for once. Let's go to number 38. Who is doing number 38 for us? What is the simple interest on a loan of 960 naira for 3 years at 5% per annum? What is the simple interest on a loan of 960 naira? Yes, who can tell me what should we use? What's the formula?
So we're going to do 960 times 3 times 5 over 100. So
we're going to do 960 times 3 times 5 over 100. Yes, that's the formula for interest, correct? So what would that give us? You can do it in your book, since you have already given me the sum.
It's simple. That is 144 naira. How will somebody feel it?
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Wait, did you get the same answer with her?
Face your phones.
It looks like Faith has not solved hers yet.
Sir, Faith got the same answer.
Let me
mind the business.
So you know you guys know
right.
0 cancels this 0. What else is there? 5 in here, 1. 5 in here, 2, right?
Yes, here in 2. That is the 40.
96 is what?
48 and this 144.
So 48 times 3 is what?
Think you can scare me.
48 times 3 is what?
48 times 3 is 144.
Okay, 144. So I guess she's right. 144 what? It's in naira.
Yeah.
Please don't ever forget minutes. All right, so I think we can go on to the next one. This is written that down.
Faith is not writing her work. Okay, no.
Who is not writing her own?
Faith, she's calculating for the next question.
Do you know if I've written or I've not written?
Show my name. I'm not talking to your name. I'm not changing it.
Number 39.
She has not written anything. She has not written how to get it. She only wrote 144. Not even adding the naira.
Yeah, when I'm testing you people and she's telling me that she doesn't know how to do it, that's when we will have a problem. I've already said it before. Maybe she thinks I'm joking. Let's continue. Number 39. A trader bought some goods for this one looks like, okay, it's not exactly like it. A trader bought some goods for 960 naira and sold them for 900 naira. That's obviously, well, okay, let me not say it. They said, what is the gain or loss? So is this a gain or a loss situation? Let me even ask. You sell
Yes.
something for lower than you bought it. Is that a gain? Is that a gain? It does not look like a gain. I'm seeing Favor seriously shaking her head. She doesn't agree. Can you imagine? You are a businesswoman. You buy something at 960 naira. You now sell it at 900 naira. It's obviously a loss because you are losing something. So, question is this: they said, what is the gain or loss percent? So it's not just what is the gain or loss. What is the gain or loss percent? So what's the formula for gain or loss percent? So we have agreed that it's a loss. But what is the formula for that? Yes, I'm waiting.
I want to minus the one that's 916 minus
Okay.
900. That is
Thank you.
60.
Cost price, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is 60 over the cost price, which is what? 960. Okay, times 100 over 1, right?
Yes, sir. So that's here.
Okay, so what would that give us? I think this zero goes with this zero. I'm having any other thing can go here. 2 here, 5, right? 2 in 96 is 48. Okay, is there any other thing we can do? Can somebody help me out? Yes?
See.
6, okay. So 6 in 48 is what? 8, right?
Yes, sir.
6 in 60 is 10. What? So what? Okay, so we now have 2 here, 4. And then 2 in 10, 5. So we're left with 5 times 5 over 4. And 5 times 5 we know is 25. 25 divided by 4 is what?
25 divided by 4 is 6.6.
Yes, go ahead now. 6 on number what?
6.25.
6.25. I like that. You were able to figure it out quickly. 6.25. But the answers are given to us in fraction, in a mixed number, sorry. So let's leave it at 6 whole number, 1 over 4, right? So our answer is D. Hey, sorry. Our answer cannot be D. Our answer is C, sorry. We agreed that it was a loss, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Are we done writing?
Yes, I've was done thinking.
Wait, are you done?
Yes, sir.
But sir, she's not writing the how to
see all the software.
I want to believe that she will behave herself and write it. Wait, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Sir, she's lying.
Multiply. All right, let's do this one in our book. Multiply 3.02 by 2.7. Multiply 3.02. Now, the only thing I'm going to show you is how to arrange it. I can't imagine that you people don't know how to do this by yourself. So I'm expecting the answer. So if I were you, I will arrange the 3.02 on top and the 2.7 underneath. Okay? And you know how we do it whenever we're doing multiplication. Pretend that there's no decimal point, isn't it? And just multiply it normally. Then afterwards, you now put back the decimal point. Let me see who is going to get the answer.
So the answer is 8.174.
8 point what?
8.154. 154.
8.154. Okay. Faith, what did you get?
It's Faith that I got the answer. 8.154.
8.154. Okay. Favor, what's your own answer?
I'm still checking.
I'm still checking. 8.154. Okay. I know it should end with a 4 because of that 2 times 7, which is 14. I'm very sure of that. So it's just that all the answers here end with 4, so we cannot use that as our judgment. We just have to do it. Okay, so who has Favor, have you finished? Favor, are you done?
No, sir.
You're not. Okay, you're not done yet. But Favor, this thing should not take you so long, bro. Are you struggling with your times table? Is it your times table that you're struggling with?
No, sir.
Because I'm almost done with my own set. So I don't know why you are.
So people is looking at your own, she's not solving it. I'm solving it. It is simple. Our answer is.
You need to be sincere with. You need to be very, very sincere with me.
Sir, struggling with something. People got an answer. Our answer was 8.44 or 8.440. No, I made a mistake.
That means you are times table. If you did not get this answer on the screen, then that means you are struggling with your times table. Okay? Now you need to get your act right. Please. Or maybe I don't know whether you wrote down the wrong number. Because if you wrote down the wrong number, there's no way you will get the right answer. It's not possible. Alright, please write what is on the screen. Please. Let's not allow questions like this keep us up. Imagine failing the last question in your exam, which is a baby question in code. A baby question. You can't allow that happen. You can't, because this is like a question that they're telling you to tell you, okay, you have done well in this exam. Thank you very much for coming. I don't know, is this the last? No, this is not the last question. But you understand what I'm trying to say. You are close to the end of, I think, okay, maybe this might be the last math question. Because your mom snapped another one for me. Let me check what she said to me. Yes? Yes, I'm listening.
I have something to say.
You have what?
Something to say.
What do you have to say?
I'm saying that when I times it on my own, it gave me 8.144.
Okay, now let us go back to what I did. Let us see how you got 8.144. And that's not possible. Are you see my screen?
Okay, sir. We can go to the next number.
2 times 7 is 14, right?
Yes, sir.
7 times 0 is 0. Of course, you carry that one and you put it there. But 1. 1. 7 times 3 is 21. Now, you now start with the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. You have already shifted by one side. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. So by the time you arrange it, you see that you just add 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Can you see? Maybe that's where you made the mistake. You thought that 0 will still be there. But you've forgotten that you've added 1 there. So it cannot be 0.
Sir, Favor wrote,
so 1 plus 4 is 1 plus 0 for 1 plus 6.
Instead of able to write 1 in that, she
at
wrote
the top,
0.
right?
Yes.
That's what
She
the
wrote
mistake came.
this where my mouth is
So,
pointing. This way she wrote 0 instead of 1.
I understand. I know where she made the mistake now. So, Favor, have you seen the correction now? All right, thank you. And it's good that you have taken it in good faith. All right, so let's go ahead. Okay, so apparently these questions end in number 50, but it's not that they're difficult. So the question I'm looking at is a right angle triangle. Please, I need you not to promise me that you will not fail it. They said if the area of the above diagram is 28 cm squared, that is squared though, it's not 2. Find its height. So you can tell me which formula will help us with this. Which formula will help us with this? Yes? Yes, go ahead now.
Area equals half base times height. Well, we're looking for height.
Half base times height, which is the same thing as base times height over 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So I'll just simply put my numbers there. 28 is my A, right? 28 is my A, isn't it?
Yes, sir. And
my base for that question is what?
Is 8.
Thank you very much.
H is
the H, I don't know it, so I have to keep it, right?
Yes, sir.
My 2 is underneath. You can tell me what I will do. I just need one answer, one simple answer that will solve everything here.
I will put H below. Put H below.
You putting H below now.
So we're going to do LT. We divide both sides by 2.
Why 2? Why are we dividing both sides by 2?
So we're going to do CLT. Divide both sides by 28.
Okay.
No, divide both sides by 8. 8.
It's only 8 we're dividing both sides by.
Divide both sides by 8H over 2.
Now, ideally, we should have what we should have said is that we're dividing both sides by 8 over 2. But let me just make it simple for you people. 2 in itself, 1. 2 in 8, 4. So what are we dividing both sides by now?
4.
Thank you very much. We're dividing both sides by 4. Please, not 28. There's no way it can be 28 because 28 is not what is multiplying 8. You don't divide by the other number. You divide by the number that is multiplying 8. Please, I'm begging you. If it's a fraction, you divide by the fraction that is multiplying 8. Do you understand?
Yes,
sir. Our point 28 is obviously 7. So I think you can write in your H is equal to 7 cm.
So can we move to the next?
Can we move on?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
that
sir.
next question is a simple question. Can somebody tell me how we will do it?
We will do.
Just give us the strategy for it. Tell us what we'll do. How should we do it? You can tell me. Yes, I'm waiting. Nobody's talking. Just tell us the strategy for it.
We will find
strategy is the plan. You divide what?
Find the LCM.
Okay. Of the one at the top, right?
All of it.
Then you now find the LCM for the. underneath, right?
And that is 6.
Am I
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Okay. So somehow the numbers are the same, but the signs are different, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 is
Yes, sir.
6 is
So,
3 times 1,
so
right?
yes, sir. 3 plus 2.
3 is
3
6 is
plus
2.
2
2
is
times
5
1 is 2.
over
So
6.
from the top, the one on top is what? They're not talking. Eh? The one on top is what?
The
I
one
can't hear
on
you.
top is
Ah. So you
this
people are
one
not
is
even
3 plus
following.
2. That is
Eh?
1. Well, follow
The one on top is what?
we know this. The one on top is
The
3.
answer for the one on top is what?
The answer for the one on top is 5 over 6.
And the answer for the one underneath is what?
1 over 6.
Thank you very much. So now we have 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 6, right?
Yes, sir.
So who can tell me how we do that? 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 6. By the time you change that division to multiplication, what will happen to the 1 over 6?
So it will turn into the 1 over 6 will change to 5 over 6 times 6 over 1.
Thank you very
It will
much.
be
And that is
5.
what?
5.
Thank you. You got okay. So you can write it down in your book.
Very well. Because I don't know. Maybe you don't know the answer. Sir, everyone is saying that it is faith with me. Oh God, why you like to lie?
Favor is saying what again?
People is
You
saying that. People is saying that.
that is not part of our class. Vanish it. We don't have any. Please just forget about anything that and focus.
It's you. It's favor. People that said that.
It's okay. I focus.
All right. So are we done right? These are things that slow you down when you are talking and trying to write at the same time. You can't achieve both of them successfully at the same time. You have to do one correctly. So we want to write, not talk. Okay. So the next one is HCF. I believe HCF should be simple for you at LCF.
Yes,
I
sir.
usually have a method for HCF. I like that method. It makes you very, very fast. Okay, can I wipe this off?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I usually like writing the numbers by the side, stack them up on one above the other. So 60, 45, 60, and what? 150. Okay. So this is what I will have ideally. 45, 60, and 150. Now, the next thing I'll now do is to start breaking them down. Okay, I'll break them down into prime factors if I can. Okay, so I have, for instance, who can tell me what 45 is? We have even seen 45 so many times today. 45 is, you can either do 9 times 5 or what? What else can give us 45? Who can tell me?
5.
9 times 5. Okay. While people are still thinking. Let me be writing. 3 times 3 times 5, isn't it? Because 3 times 3 is 9, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is 60? We know 60 on the high level. 60 is 10 times 6. Simple. Break down that 10. 10 is what? 2 times 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that's 2 times 5. Then don't forget the 6. times 6. Okay. Now, on a high level,
15.
don't worry. It's not, you know me, I'm not, I always tell you, it's not about telling me the answer. It's about working. Show you're working and work towards the
Yes, sir.
answer.
I did the same thing you did. So I did the same way you did it.
You are doing it the same way I'm doing it. Okay, thank you very much. So,
I've done it the same way
150
you
is
did it.
50 times 10. So that means 15 is what? 3 times what? Times 5, right? Times 10.
Yes,
I cannot
sir.
write 10, write 2 times 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So here we go. We now start looking for the common ones. At least I can see 5 here. I can see 5 here. And I can see 5 here. So I'm going to take 5, right?
Yes, sir.
What else can I see that's common? Is there anything that is common again?
Yes, sir.
What's
3.
that? 3. Okay, yes. It's even here. Thank you. Because there's a 3 hidden inside this 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me cancel this 6 and change it to 2 times 3. Times 2 times 3. Okay, so I think that's how she got the 15.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 3 is here, 3 is here, and 3 is here. Okay, so that's 5 times 3. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, so the answer is 15. Yes, highest common factor 15. Okay. Okay, I want to believe you've done that in your book, so we can move on to the next one. This is where I'm going to catch some people. Yes, we have come to that question. Does number 44, let me even ask the question first. Does number 44 look familiar? Yes, I'm waiting for answers. Does number 44 look familiar?
Yes.
All right, now, how would you do it?
Yes.
How would you?
So first, we're going to do this 0.7 minus 0.3, that is 4. So
the answer
then
is
that
4.0. 4.0. How to do it is that 0.7 minus 0.3 is 0.4.
1.0
1.07 plus 3 equals 1.0. 1.0 times 4.0 times 0.4 equals 4.
So are you telling me that the answer is 0.4?
Another shorter. No, the answer
Is
is
that the
4.0.
Eh?
Wait.
The answer is what?
No.
I can't hear what you're saying.
0.40.
Okay, 0.40.
No.
Okay,
The answer
that's
is
correct.
4. The answer is 4.
How would the answer be 4 now? Tell me, how did the answer become 4? I thought you just answered.
it is
You just break it down for us. How did the answer?
0.40.
Only way the answer will become 4 and multiplying it by what? 10. And we're not multiplying by 10, we're multiplying by 1. And 1 times anything is what? That same thing. Please don't allow the 1.0 confuse you. Please, I'm begging you. So the answer is what? 0.4 or 0.40. You know that any 0 after a number, after a decimal point, is insignificant. So 0.4 and 0.40 are the same thing. Did we get what I just said?
Yes.
It's just like saying 8 naira 50 kobo is the same thing as what? 8.50 naira. Okay, so 8 naira 50 kobo, 8.5, they are still the same thing. It's just that we add the 0 after the 5 so that we understand that it is what? 50 kobo. Okay, so that will make sense. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir.
Who is raising their hand?
It's me.
Yes, what's the question?
Sir,
Yes.
please, sir. When somebody got something wrong, are they not supposed to listen? Faith is here. She's drawing something on her book. I'm saying it.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So telling me that she's tired, Abby. So that's your own way of saying that you're tired. You are distracting yourself. I don't want to hear a report like that again in this class, please. Because you are telling us that we're wasting our time here, and we're not wasting our time. A man spends 1/5 of his income on food and 1/3 of the remainder on his car. The question is this: if he then has 286 naira left, what is his income? Another way of asking this question is, what is the total amount of money that the man earns? Because they said they started with 1/5 of his income. So what should we do in this kind of question? This is an algebra question. Who can tell me what we should do? Yes? Faith, what should we do in this question? Faith, I need your response quickly. Unless you want me to involve your mother in this, and it will not be hard for me to do that. What should we do in this question?
She's only here.
We will do 1/5 times 1/3 equals to 1/15. 1/15 times the one that was left.
So well, apparently I didn't really hear what you said, but it seems to me as if you just read the question for me. I didn't ask you to read the question. I said, what will we do to solve this question? What are we going to do?
So I did not read the question. I said that 1/5 times 1/3 equals 1/15. And the remaining left times 1/15 times the one left.
Oh, okay. I guess you would seem to have an idea, but you're not giving me the answer I want to hear. Now, look at this question very well. He first started with a fraction, 1/5 of his income on food. So if I were you, I'll first represent my 1/5 there. Right? 1/5 on what? Food, isn't it? Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Faith, can you see my screen? You're not looking at the screen, Faith.
Yes, sir.
Now, 1/3 of the remainder. Now, the question is this: what is the remainder after you have removed 1/5 on food? I want you to understand something. Say 1/3 of the remainder. You have to ask yourself, what is that remainder? Now, who can tell me if I've taken 1/5 out of a full fraction, what will be the remainder of the fraction? Remember that total fraction is 1. 1/5, I took it out from a fraction, and that full fraction is 1. I take 1/5 from 1. What will be the remaining fraction?
4/5.
Thank you very much. 4/5. Thank you, Favor. 4/5. So now this is the remainder. But they didn't say he spent the remainder on his car. They said he spent 1/3 of the remainder. So now I know that this question looks a bit complex, but it's not hard. if you understand what of means in mathematics, you just simply know that of is multiplication. So 1/3 of 4/5 is what? 1/3 times 4/5. Is that not? Is that not? Are you seeing what I'm doing?
Yes, so that's 4/15.
That's going to be what? 4/15. So we're going somewhere. So that means he spent 4/15 on what? They said he spent 4/15 on his car. Now watch, you just follow me. This is on his car. Please, when you're writing it in your book, if I'm you, I will write it exactly as I'm seeing it on this screen. So he spent 4/15 on his car. They now said he has what? 286 naira left. Now, listen to my question. That 286 naira left, that 286 naira itself, it represents a fraction. How do we find that fraction? Who can tell me, based on what everything I have said now so far, who can tell me the fraction that 286 naira represents? Yes, I'm listening. Let me see who is following. Who can tell me what fraction 286 naira? Because 286 naira is not what is left. Is what is left after he had spent all these other things. So we have calculated the fraction for food, calculated the fraction for his car. Now we have 286 naira, which is not a fraction, but we want to know what fraction does 286 naira represent in this whole scenario. So who can tell me how I'm going to get it? Yes? Yes.
So we're going to times the fractions. Then we're going to times it by the 286. So
are you sure we want to do that? So okay, don't worry, no problem. It's fine. Let me just answer the question. So what we're going to remember that time when I started, I said total fraction is what? 1. Do you remember when I said that? I'm sure you can figure out what I'm about to do now. So what we're going to do is we're going to 1/5 plus what? 1/5 plus 4/15.
4/15.
Yes. We'll do 1/5 plus 4/15. And then we'll now do what next? When you add it together, we'll now subtract it from what? We'll now subtract it from what? 1. Yes. That's just it. So let us find the LCM. So I'll quickly do this. 15. So we know that the LCM is 15. 15 in itself is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. What else? 5 in 15 is
7/15.
Thank you very much.
7
so the answer to the bracket is 7/15. So we're going to now say 1 minus what? 7/15, which is as good as saying 15/15 minus what? 7/15. And that will give us what? Who can tell me? I'm sure somebody is already reading my mind. 15/15 minus 7/15 will give us what? To start wasting time and
8/15.
Thank you very much.
8/15.
Yes.
15.
Very, very correct. So the final answer is 8/15. Now that's not the full answer to this question, no. But at least we have made a headway. 8/15. Now 8/15 is what that 286 represents. So this is where we now want to go to. This is our destination. Since 8/15 is representing 286 naira, that means that 8/15, look at the implication. Just watch me. Don't worry, I understand if you don't know this question. It looks a bit tricky, so that's why I'm answering it from the beginning to the end. So we're going to say 8/15 times his income, okay, equals what? 286. This is where we're going. So you see, all this calculation we have been doing is for us to be able to know the fraction, the correct fraction that 286 is. If you don't know it, I'm sorry for you. There's no way you can solve this question. because you have to find it out, and you cannot, because of the way they ask the question, you can't just say 1/5 plus 1/3 minus and then subtract 1. You will fail it woefully. You will mess it up. You see, because of that thing that they said 1/3 of the remainder, you can't just jump and say 1/5 plus 1/3 and then subtract it from 1. No, you will mess it up. So this is the exact way you will do it. Okay, very, very calculated. This question, you think that why should this kind of question be in objective? But they put it in objective. You have to solve it. You have to solve it. There's nothing like guessing here. Not so there's no room for guessing at all. You have to solve it. So let's solve this. So now who can tell me what I should do next? At least you should know what to do from here. Who can tell me what I should do next? I have something times x equals 286. What should I do to find x? Yes?
I'm going to move that x to where 8/15 is. That is x
I don't
equals.
I don't agree with you. This is multiplication. The time of move is when you have addition or subtraction. You don't move in this kind of thing. What should you do to both sides?
Multiply both sides by 8/15.
Multiply both sides by 8/15.
I don't know. Which one are you saying? Divide both sides, multiply both sides. Why are we multiplying? We already have multiplication here. What is the opposite of multiplication?
Divide.
Thank you. So we're dividing both sides by 8/15, which is equivalent to multiplying both sides by 15/8. So that is what we're going to do next. So 286 times 15/8. So I don't want to even waste time to start saying divide both sides and doing another division sign. So yes. So what will happen? Can 8 go into this? Okay, let's just
8 can go 8 in that 8 in 28.
8 in 28 is what?
It is 3 remainder 4.
Okay, no. So 8 we can't use 8. Let's just go with 2 first. So 2 in 8 is 4, right? 2 in 1 4 this is 141.
43.
143, right? This thing is not
yes.
looking like it will give us a whole number. So there's no problem. So we have what? 143 times 15/4. So can we quickly get that done? Can we quickly get that done? 143, let me do it on this time. By this, counting the numbers.
143 times 15.
15. Yes. What did you get?
This is one I want to say. So my answer is 2,145.
2,145
divided by 4.
I think we're getting the same answer. Yeah. 2,145. Yes. Okay. Now don't forget that there is an over 4 there. So 2,145/4 divided by 4. That's what is going to be our x. So it's not a whole number. So what's that going to be? 2,145 divided by 4. That will give us what? 4 in 21 is what?
530.
530 what?
6.25.
Okay. 536.
Plus
Okay,
25.
yeah. 0.25, right? So the 0.25 we said is remainder 1/4. Yes, I like that. Thank you very much.
And it is also here
Okay.
in
So,
number
do we
C.
have an answer there? Do we have an answer there that agrees with
Yes, and
our
let's
work?
see.
Okay, that is C, yes. All right. So can you see this thing? Now, I don't want you to be discouraged or frightened by the number of by the it looks as if I filled up this whole place with calculations. No, that is one quality of a mathematician. A mathematician is patient. There's something called rigor in math. I've mentioned this thing before. Rigor does not mean that somebody has given you the worst job in the world. No, rigor just means you will follow through. Just follow, keep on following till you get to the answer. It's testing your patience, okay? But if you are patient enough, you will get to the answer. Testing your patience, testing your knowledge. So you can't afford to fail, okay? So just keep on working till you get to the answer. And when you get to the answer, you by yourself, you will even tell yourself that, "Yeah, I know I'm right. I know there's no way I can fail it." Now, let me show you something that will tell you that you're correct. Number one, obviously, from this question, the income should be way bigger than 286. Can you see we are getting 536.25? That 536 naira, 25 kobo. So it is definitely, giving you some assurance that you are correct. Okay. The other thing that you have to just depend on is your multiplication table skill, and of course your fractions. You can't, I mean, if you don't know how to deal with fractions, this question will throw you off balance. I think totally off balance. Okay. So is there any part of this question that you do not understand? Any part of this question that you didn't
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Which part?
This
Which
part
part?
here.
Annotate, annotate so that you can annotate. Just to show, because there are different parts in the screen. I can't, if you are just pointing, I'll not be able to know. You can point an arrow
In
to the
this
part.
side, I wrote purple here. I'm confused. Why did you now use 1/3 times 4/5 instead of 1
Oh,
times
okay. Why
4/5?
did I use 1/3 and multiply by 4/5? Do you know how I got the 4/5 first? You are the one
Yes, sir.
that's at the end, so you know. Good. I said that place, I said 1/3 times 4/5 because the question, if you remember the question I asked, I said 4/5 the what is the remainder. The question, look, read the question well. The question said 1/3 of the remainder on his car. So the only way you can get 1/3 of the remainder is to say 1/3 times the fraction that he spent. That is the remainder. Do you understand? And the remainder is not 4/5.
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason why I had to multiply 1/3 times 4/5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So is it clear now? All right.
Yes, sir. Very
Okay. Any other questions? So it looks like you understood everything. You don't have any questions, Abby?
Yes, no question.
Did Faith say something? Because I didn't hear anything. You don't have any questions, Faith, do you?
No, she said, do you have any question?
I said I don't have any question. So I said I don't have any question.
You know.
But don't clean everything.
Okay. So let me just give you some advice, right? Let's say you are in the middle of an exam, right? And you see a question similar to this and you don't know how to solve it right away. Okay. Now, or let's even pretend that you saw a question exactly like this, and you say, "Oh, I remember Mr. Charles has taught us something like this, so but I need to calm down and remember the steps." You know, what I will advise you to do is what? Skip that question. Now, there are some exams, especially they call them CBT exams, computer-based tests. If you skip some questions, the exam may not allow you to go back. So in that case, you have to solve it. Except if you want to risk it, you skip a question and you don't solve it, well, that's you losing marks, automatically losing marks. But if it's a question like the one you write on paper, please, I'm sure that you cannot really solve it immediately. You don't remember the exact step. Just leave it. Go to another question. Solve all the ones that you are confident, your confidence level is high that you can solve them. Then,
Very hard.
with that extra they will most likely give you, go back and look at the ones that you skip and do them. Did you get what I just said?
Yes.
Please. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes in exam hall, depending on how you even started your day on that day of the exam, you might be, I don't know the word to use, disorganized, you know. I can imagine, I can remember some exams I've written, and sometimes it was difficult for me to find my way to the venue. So just imagine somebody getting to the venue and, the question, the paper is just about to start. That's when you now got to the venue. You understand? That's why they usually advise, get to the venue at least 30 minutes before the exam should start. In fact, the school will even tell you to get there. So you're not even wondering. But sometimes things still happen and traffic, this is Lagos. Traffic can hold you up, make you get to the venue late. What should you do? That is when you should calm down. Look for something and just tell yourself it's going to be okay. Just calm down. That's not the time to start crying. Oh, my own has finished. So no, that's not when to start crying and messing yourself up. That will even mess you up more. You're supposed to do what? Calm down. Just try. I don't know. Some people say you should count from 1 to 10, but that's usually when you're angry and. But then just look for a way and calm yourself down. Everything will be okay. If you got there late, you explain to the vigilator, please, I will need extra time, and then the vigilator will understand. It's not as if you got to the exam late on purpose. So those are things I just feel I should say at this point so that I don't forget to say them later. So can I move on to the next question? I can't see Faith though. Faith, did you stand up? Okay, I see there. Okay, I can see. So Faith says no question, no wahala. I am moving on. I'm wiping off the screen. Okay. So now the number 46. I think you guys can. Which one is the largest? 7/9. Asking us for the largest. They're now asking us to arrange in ascending order. 7/9. 5/8.
7/9.
Yes. 5/6 again. Another 5. 2/3. And what? Is that 1/4 or 3/4?
3/4.
3/4. Okay, thank you. 3/4. And now asking us which one is the largest. You know that some people will stand. I don't know how some people reason. They will go and choose this as the largest. Can you see what I put in a box? And you'll be surprised which one is the largest. Oh yeah. How do we figure out? How do we find the largest? Do we do LCM?
Why the ACM is
LCM, right? Now, I know that LCM can be quite a demanding thing to do, especially when you have 4 or 5 numbers. So what I usually do is I usually tell people to eyeball it. You know what it means to eyeball something? Who can tell me? I've used that term before.
To avoid
Say,
this, not come close. Avoid, not come
what does
close.
it mean to eyeball something?
Ignore or just
Eyeball something. Did I say no? It's not to ignore. How will you ignore it? If you ignore it, how will you solve the question? So
not
eyeball something to use your eyes. And have you ever? Let me ask you a question. Have you ever used your eye to measure something? You don't have a ruler with you, but you just use your eye to measure something that, oh, okay, this thing can be, or you use your eye to focus on something. So eyeballing this thing means just look at the numbers involved and intelligently guess the LCM. Now you will do. I'm telling you, I'm giving you these skills because the truth is that you will be in an exam hall. It's not every invigilator that will give you extra time, so don't bank on it. Okay. So anything that can get you to the answer, and when I say to the answer, not the wrong answer, to the right answer, please use those skills. Use them to the best of your ability. Use them. Now, just looking at this thing alone, I can pick the two biggest denominators here, 9 and 8. 9 times 8 is what? 9 times 8 is what?
9 times 8.
I'm thinking about it. 9 times 8 is
72.
72. It shouldn't take you long to figure out. Now, the next question I'll ask myself is, can 6 go into 72 without a remainder? Can 3 go into 72 without a remainder? Can 4 go into 72 without a remainder? If the answer is yes on all three counts, then 72 is the LCM. There's no need for me to start calculating 9, 8, 6, 3, 4. Before I finish this question, the time may have run out on me. Did you see what I just did now? Somebody is raising hand.
Sir, it's me.
Stop.
Sir, you know, please. Sir, you know
You have
when, sir, you know when you are explaining, you used to say nobody should get distracted. The favor reported me for getting distracted. She's using her pen to do magic trick like this, and yes. What did you say before about when you? What did you say before?
You should use
So,
9 times 8.
that I'm saying
Just
about
use
how
my pen cover and put in the pen.
evolve
You're not thinking.
and find the LCM. It doesn't matter to you. It is what Favor is doing with her pen that is important right now.
Favor was doing like this and even singing.
I'm really disappointed.
You're still now.
I'm really disappointed. You hear? I am disappointed. So it's what Favor is a pen that's important to you. Okay. Anyway, I have used a method that I called eyeballing and figured out that the LCM to this is 72 because 4 can go into 72 without any remainder. 3 can go into 72, right? Without any remainder. And of course, 6 can go into 72 without any remainder. No need to check 9 and 8 because 9 and 8 was what gave me 72 in the first place. So, based on that fact, 9 in 72 is 8. 8 times 7 is what? 56. 8 in 72 is 9. 9 times 5, 45. 6 in 72 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. 3 in 72. Okay, so that need to do a bit of calculation there. 3 in 7 is 2, right? Remainder 1. In 12, that's 4. So that's 24. 24 times 2 is 48. Are you following me at all, or you're busy looking for what to report the next person about? Because I don't know where you forgot that behavior from. It's 48. Now, 4 in 72 is what?
4.
Yes, 4 in 72 is what?
Okay.
18. It's 18, isn't it?
18.
18 times 3 is what?
18 times 3 is
18 times 3 is 54.
54. So obviously from here, which one is the biggest?
Equals 5 over 6.
See? So please, that's how to find out the biggest. Because the biggest will be the one that corresponds to the biggest number among the whole thing.
Okay.
If there's anything to learn from this question, is that way that I figured out the LCM without actually finding the LCM of the denominator. If people are to learn from this question, that's the only thing I'll say. Are you done writing?
Sir,
Yes?
how to start, write something down.
What?
No, let me say it in my mouth. It's easy bad. Wait.
Are you asking a question, Faith? I can't hear you.
Sir, is it bad that if somebody gets like stop? Sir, people is writing instead of answering. Sir, let me continue. Let me know my favor. Sir, is it a bad idea to use decimal to solve
To
this
use
question?
decimal for this? Well, yes, and I'll tell you why. Using decimal will take you time, and you are prone to error. Very, very prone to error. If you are good, it will waste your time. Remember, we're looking at skills that will do what? Help you to get to the correct answer and on time. That's even the reason why I talked about eyeballing
Just press like this.
the numbers, the denomination to get the LCM. And I showed you how to do it. Look for the two biggest numbers that are in that span. If you can multiply them, great. Then check the other numbers. Can they go into that answer without a remainder? Then that leaves you with the LCM straight up, and you can quickly do your this thing, working and move. Yes. So to your question, yes, using decimal will not just slow you down. Sometimes you'll be thinking that okay, if you find the decimal to one place, maybe like 0 point something, you'll be able to get the answer. But when you now see 0.4 and another one is 0.4, you will now have to do both of them to what? Two decimal places to be able to establish which one is actually which is going to waste your time further. So I will not advise you to use decimal. I won't. Okay. Can we go on to the next question?
Okay, so when I did the same, but in decimal. When I did the same in decimal, but if the person is good in multiplication and the person decides to use decimal, it will not slow the person's time down.
Okay. So I'm giving you my own advice on if you choose then number 47 to 50 has a graph, and we're to use that graph and solve the questions in 47 to 50. So let's go to number 47. It says, what is the equivalent value of 1 6.00 in francs. I think I don't know, is that supposed to be in naira? I think they're asking what's the equivalent of 1 naira. Okay, okay. All right. So is this graph even accurate? I hope it's accurate though. So what's the equivalent of 1 naira in francs? Is there anybody, can we see anything here? Can you find one? Now, whenever they ask this kind of question, right, what they are telling you to do is to go to the axis. Okay. So look at, can you see naira here? Everybody look at my screen. Can you see naira here?
Yes, sir.
And can you see franc? That's French currency on the left side here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now they want us to find the equivalent value of 1 naira. So in other words, you are going to go to the place where you have 1 naira. That's on the naira axis. The naira axis is this one. Okay, this one that I'm drawing an arrow on. Okay, so this is your naira axis. So now this graph, I don't know how we work with it, but let's just see how we can work with it. So one should be somewhere around here. Do we agree? Look at where I'm marking. One should be somewhere around here. 1 naira should be somewhere around here. So if I mark 1 naira around here, so the question now is, if I trace it to the graph, where should it be on the franc side? It looks like zero, honestly. So I don't even know. I don't know if there's a mistake here.
So it's going to make it 1.
If there's a mistake in this thing, and it can't be like this. So let me see. Let's see if maybe it is 10 that they are saying. The graph is not accurate, Joe. Honestly, the graph is messed up. The graph is messed up. Let me try the next question. What is the equivalent of 130.5 francs in naira? Okay, so in this number 48, we are going to the franc, the axis for francs. So let's look for 130. 130 should be between 150 and 120, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's trace that. So what you now do is to trace it to the axis, to the graph, and then trace it down, right?
Yes, sir.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
This thing is a skill on how to read graphs, please. And I'm sure you will have learned it in school, so please don't allow it to confuse you. So the answer should be, because of this graph is not accurate, I only suppose that the answer is between 20 and 25 naira. So any of this, and funny enough, there are a lot of answers here between 20 and 25. So
Sir,
the answer
sir, not the half. It's supposed to be here.
It's supposed to be 30.
It's supposed, this is where I'm drawing. This is where I'm drawing. That's where 30 is. Close to 120. Let me see.
Okay, okay, close to 120. So here, I understand what you're saying. So it is this line that is 120, not where 120 is actually written, right?
Yes, sir. This is
Okay,
this
no
line that
problem.
you drew here. This red line here that you drew is 140. This one here is now 150.
I agree with you. So yes, you're right. So that line, okay, no problem. I understand what you're saying. So that line that I actually drew should be 150, right? The first line I drew was 150. Okay, no problem. I get your point. So are you saying it's exactly 20? Do we go with 20?
Yes, sir.
Is it exactly 20 or somewhere there? Okay, no problem. I understand. But at least we understand the skill of reading of things. But now let us follow. Let's go. If a Nigerian friend gives a French friend, that's a Nigerian friend to a French friend, gives him what? Now I don't even. So see these questions just somehow. So it's naira, I'm supposing. 28 naira. What will this amount represent in francs or in French amount? So we'll go and look for 28. 28 should be somewhere close to 30, right? In naira, right? Are you guys looking at my screen at all?
Yes, sorry. I haven't calculated.
No? People are just doing as if you are, you are not concerned about the question. When you see this question now, tomorrow in exam, you'll not be wondering, this thing. When I'm teaching you now, you people are not paying attention. 28
this is
naira
not
should
28.
be
This is 28 here.
28 naira should be somewhere close to 30 naira. So I placed it upwards.
Then this is 19 naira, then this is 30 naira. So this is 90 here.
What in francs should it correspond to? What do you think this should be? It should be 180 something, right? I'm losing it. There's nothing that corresponds to 180 something here. So this graph is just amusing. I don't know what to even say. Okay, let's look at the last one. What is the naira equivalent of 210 francs? So, okay, thank God 210 is there on the graph exactly. So go and look for 210 francs and trace it. Now, is it this one or this one? I don't even know. Okay, we'll check both of them. So trace 210 all the way to this axis and trace it downward. Should we go with 30? Because it looks like 30 is the closest. Should we go with 30? I'm not hearing you. Should we go with 30? Faith and favor, should we go with 30?
No.
Are you saying no or yes?
Oh, dear.
I think it's fair enough. Yes, 30. Let's stick with 30. Okay. All right. So this question is a graph question. So I think should I clear all drawings? Okay, let's just clear all drawings. All right. So that's it for us today. Now I need you to promise me that later today, I know you say you have a lot of homework. Later today you will go through what we've done in the questions. By our next class, I'm looking at maybe
not like
I don't know
today.
Seize the public holiday. If we can take advantage of the public holiday, I'll let you know. But if not, it will just be after our Sunday class. It will just be Thursday. But let's see. I don't want to make any promises because my schedule is a bit tight. But let's see. I'm going to ask you people questions based on what you've done today. So, as in, nothing will make me more upset than to know that after I finish talking and talking and talking, you did not take notes and you did not understand, and then you didn't ask questions. Nothing will upset me like that. Nothing. So please, if you know Faith, especially you, if you know you did not take notes, you better collect Favor's notes and complete your notes. Because when she's studying on her own, you can't start collecting her notes from her and saying that you want to study. I've already given you heads up. I'm going to test you on everything that we did today. All right. So we'll do our coding class tomorrow by God's grace at 4 p.m.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
All right, bye.
Goodbye.